Smartphone company sees new entrants almost every other week, and we often spoiled from choices as there are many smartphones available to choose from. And the October month is gonna be crazy as we have launches from almost all the brands. We have launches from Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo and all other brands as well. To help you to choose the best smartphone as your daily drive, we have put together the list of upcoming phone in the October with their specifications and the price range. Now probably this video will help you to decide the best smartphone under your budget. Hey, it's Nikhil here from TechNest, where I help you to amplify your tech knowledge. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Now the first phone from our bucket is OnePlus 8T, which would be launched on 14th October. Most of the feature of this phone is going to be sandwich of OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Rumors and leaks shows that OnePlus 8T will equipped with a gorgeous 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, having a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a quad camera system may be found on the back of OnePlus 8T as well. The primary camera is expected to be 48 megapixel, accompanied by a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and an updated 5 megapixel micro camera. You will also get the upgraded 65-watt WAP charger as well. OnePlus is always aggressive in pricing when we speak about the Indian markets. So ideally, this phone's price range is estimated to range between 45,000 to 50,000. Rest, we have to wait till 14th October. To compete with OnePlus, Samsung will launch Fan Edition from their S20 series, which has already been launched in US and elsewhere. This phone comprises of 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED Infinity O display. For cameras, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE brings a triple rear camera setup that houses a 12 megapixel of primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, it would be either Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 990. Apart from the powerful hardware, one of the most interesting thing about the Galaxy S20 FE will be the fact that it comes with wide range of color options, and its price in India is expected to be under 55,000. Now, after multiple delays and multitude of rumors, Google Pixel 4a would be finally launched in India. This phone also already launched elsewhere in the month of August. Now this phone has the same camera experience as we have seen in that of Pixel 4. Google Pixel 4a has a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, offer the same camera experience that was provided on the Pixel 4 last year. The phone, however, has a single 12.2 megapixel camera sensor at the back, and the phone is powered by Snapdragon 730G. Google Pixel 4a is already listed on Flipkart and it would be cost in between 26,000 to 27,000. On the same price range, Oppo will launch Oppo F21 Pro, which will be powered by MediaTek Helio P95 with the combination of 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. You will also get micro SD slot to expand the memory up to 256GB. Where other highlights are 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display, the quad camera setup features a 64 megapixel primary camera followed by an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel micro and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. For selfie and video calling, the phone has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Oppo F21 Pro price in India is expected to be 25,000. Vivo will launch their V20 on the same price range, which will be powered by Snapdragon 720G. With the combination of 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, you will also get micro SD slot to expand the memory up to 256GB. Where other highlights are 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display, the quad camera setup features a 64 megapixel primary camera followed by an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel micro and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. For selfie and video calling, the phone has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. This phone will be similar to Oppo F21 with the same price range. The next phone is Samsung F41, which is set to launch in India on October 8th, and now a teaser page on Flipkart has revealed that the phone will be featured a 64 megapixel primary shooter as a part of triple rear camera setup. The Galaxy F series will be the first phone in Samsung's newly announced F series of a smartphone, backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, a Super AMOLED display with an infinite U design, a fingerprint scanner on the back. You will have Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9611 processor in it, with the combination of 4GB RAM and 64GB as internal memory. And this phone will be launched around in between 15,000 to 16,000. Now for the budget smartphone which are priced below 10,000, Infinix will launch Infinix Note 7 Lite. The main highlight of this phone will be 6.6-inch HD LCD display. The Infinix Note 7 Lite pack a Helio P22 chipset from the MediaTek under the hood, and 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard memory. A triple camera setup on back with 48 megapixel as a primary camera. The phone is equipped with an 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfie and video call. The cell inside the Note 7 Lite has a capacity of 5000 mAh, making it a beast in terms of battery life. The Infinix Note 7 price in India is expected to be Rs 7,499 and scheduled to launch on 19th October. Poco is also coming with C3. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. On the camera front, you will get a 13 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel depth camera. Poco C3 smartphone price in India is likely to be 8,499 and it is scheduled to launch on 23rd October. Also, it is rumored that Micromax will launch a phone in October in the same price range, but till now nothing is official. Now the last and most awaited phone, iPhone 12 series. According to rumors, the iPhone 12 is expected to come in 4 models, namely iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. All 4 are expected to have iPhone 5's flat machined edges, along with a possible slimmer notch. Under the hood you will get Apple designed 5nm A14 Bionic chip, expected to bring both speed and efficiency. For pricing and all other specifications, we have to wait till the first or second week of the October. So this is all about upcoming phone in October. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you guys around my next video. Now it's Nikhil signing off. Be safe.